everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to bookmark in Word. So first you need to select the area where you want to add the bookmark, and in the Insert tab you will find an icon called Bookmark in the Links ribbon. If you click on it, a new dialog box will appear. You need to set the name for the bookmark. After that, you just need to click on Add to create a bookmark. So after that, you just need to go to File and click on Options at the bottom left corner and go to Advanced. Scroll down and go to Show Document Content. You will need to check this box, so Bookmarks, and click on OK. So after that, you will see that you have the area that you selected earlier is within a bracket, so that symbolizes as it's bookmarked. Now if I go to this part and just bookmark this again, then I will have two bookmarks. So in order to go to your bookmarks, then you just need to click on Bookmarks and click on one of the bookmark that you have. So after that, click on Go To, and you will be taken to the bookmark you created. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.